90% of drone crashes are caused by this part failure. The drone was not damaged, but the gimbal was shaking due to the aircraft's attitude. This was the flight control system trying its best to keep it from falling.
Too low. Minimize.
IMU equals accelerometer plus gyroscope. IMU data allows the flight control system to monitor the drone's attitude in real time. Can your phone rotate the screen automatically? This is the IMU detecting attitude. When the drone encounters strong winds or sharp turns, the IMU data allows the motor to automatically balance, ensure stable flight, and smooth shooting without jitters. The robot can stand up by itself after falling down it, and the IMU tells it where it is crooked. In robots, IMU data is used to detect the angles, deviations, and balances of various states, especially in the robot's torso, joints, hands, and other parts. Without IMU, drones can't hover and robots will fall over. IMU allows machines to sense their own motion. Take IMU ER-MIMU-04mini as an example for analysis.